Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I got Versace socks. Be careful not to cut the box too deep. Ooh. Ooh. They gave us a card. Wow, how does this go? Yes, there is. What if it's like a gift card?
Ooh. Because you spent so much money.
Yeah. Thank you for shopping at Versace.com. We're delighted that you are part of the world of Versace. That's the card.
Amazing. Finally. Okay. Okay, let's just get a montage right here.
Open up. U-O-P-N.
Whoa!
Ooh, it's got like an official seal on it and everything. Okay, we gotta get this. Okay.
Save the wrapping so we look rich.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I need the sticker so I can put it on my hydro flask.
Ooh yeah.
Whoa! Oh.
Okay, don't. Yes, just unfold them and we'll. Ooh. Okay.
Luxury Versace
Wow.
socks.
And just like you can't wear this like anywhere. You know, you have to like wear it on special occasions.
Yeah.
You can't ruin them. If you ruin them, you're dead.
Mhm.
And it's just like a plain font, nothing special.
And he is a business owner.
With a Versace
And
headband.
I thought,
Wow.
we could really help them.
What do you
I
know
could make
that?
a podcast episode
Oh.
with Karin.
It could also be
And that was kind of
Oh
my-
yeah.
a bracelet. My
So it
Versace
became less about
bracelet.
me and more about who could I help with this.
Thank you for watching this video
Unboxing.
on unboxing these designer brand Versace socks. Versace tissue paper.
Wow.
Oh, that's how you open it. I definitely opened this wrong.